Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about the last grinder that we brought on recently, and that's the Acaia Orbit. The Acaia Orbit is a single-dose friendly grinder with features such as automatic cleaning purge, an Orbit companion app, as well as the ability to grind by weight by pairing it with the Acaia Lunar. This grinder features 64mm flat steel burrs and a stepless grind adjustment. The Orbit can be purchased with Mazer or SSP 64mm burrs. For classic espresso and balanced filter coffee, the Mazer 33 burrs will do the job, but for those that are looking for high clarity brews and modern espresso, SSP 64mm may be the better choice for you. As said previously, the Orbit also features a companion app that allows for customization to up to 3 grinding presets. The app provides full RPM control with the range going between 600 to 1500 RPM, and all profiles can be done through your smartphone. If you have the Lunar scale, you're in luck because the Orbit can easily be integrated with the Lunar scale to ensure exact dosing for every grind. It also accommodates for single and batch modes with an automatic start-stop feature. Outside of the features, the Orbit holds a 200-watt brushless DC motor and is made with high-quality aluminum and stainless steel. The modern and futuristic look is great for anyone that wants to sport a unique theme to their setup. As of right now, the grinder comes in 3 different colors. It comes in black, beige, as well as a space gray theme, which is personally our favorite here in the office. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you're interested in purchasing the Orbit, it is available on our website, so please be sure to check it out in the link below. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.